Shabbos, they used to have a ritual. Everybody dressed in white, and they moved to the dining room, and we sang songs. Someone benched, and we sang songs. And then later we went to the auditorium, and we had a procession of gris, then greeting them, and then they sang songs that Lazarvina wrote, music too. I'll lead, brother, singing, I'll lead for mine heart, and using basic liturgical motifs. That's the Akdamis motif. Then he used something with the Afri, the Sukkot motif. So he brought in through melody too, Jewish melody. He brought in songs that Wexler wrote. And then there were traditional songs, Shabbes, 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 and they sang the Lecha Doidi.
Which Lecha Doidi?
Lecha Doidi, Lecha Kala,